Ronnie,
Yes.
I got a hell of a bedroom here, buddy. You see it?
Donnie has bought this mobile home that has all of the rooms missing in it. They didn't put rooms in it. Boy, the wind is blowing.
And we're in a mobile home.
It'd be all right. This room is completely missing. It's supposed to be the bedroom, and there's nothing. There's no walls. Now, why is there no walls, Donnie?
There's no walls in this place because this is a convenience store.
The guy bought it, put it on this piece of property, and turned it into a convenience store. So Donnie is standing right in the middle of the front room of the convenience store.
Yeah, you can come in here and get you a bag of potato chips.
Yep.
Go out the door.
Yep. That window there, they had a cooler in front of.
Yep.
Get you a Diet Coca-Cola.
Yep. And right here, you know, we've been trying to find paperwork.
Trying to figure out dates.
You know, nobody lets the beer go bad. So it must have been in operation about that time.
Yep. In 2011, it was in operation. So we're cleaning this up. Our intentions are, I shouldn't say intentions because they'll think we're not going to do it.
We're going to do it.
What we're going to do is make this back into a home.
Back into a house.
And rent it. Now, if you saw our previous series on where we did another mobile home, you shouldn't have any doubt that we're going to pull it off. Because it was in worse shape than this. This one has walls missing, which kind of makes it a little easier. So this room, this is what we're starting with. Now on our other one, there was a closet here, but we've kind of figured out that on this one, the closet was over there.
Right there's the door latch.
Yeah, and we can kind of tell by the roof, the ceiling, you can see where the framing was and stuff. So we're gonna put all that back. We're gonna put a wall back in here, and then there will be a doorway over here. But this is what we're starting with. We call this the front bedroom. This particular mobile home is a 3-bedroom.
3-bedroom.
So there's one here, bathroom, another one, and then the living room. So this is the very front bedroom. It has one window, and this is what we're starting with. Yeah, they put bars on it because he had so much, liquor and stuff in here that he didn't want anybody breaking in. So there are bars on all the windows. We're going to get rid of all that. Nobody needs to live in a house that looks like a jail. So this is what we're starting with. The floors are actually pretty solid. On our previous one, we had to do all kinds of work on the floor. But on this one, it's still in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of discoloring over here, but it's not soft. I don't know what that's even from. So it could have been they had a cooler sitting there or something.
I think the cooler condensation, the sweat from everything.
Yeah. They had these big old drink machines and freezers and stuff in here.
If you hadn't seen that, go on back and watch a couple videos back and you'll see that part of it.
Yeah, we're doing a whole series on this mobile home, so go check it out. We've filmed all kinds of stuff on it already. Go check that out. So we're going to start working on this bedroom, and we'll see how it ends up. Okay, folks, so they're studding out the wall for this bedroom, which is also making the wall for the bathroom. We're doing it all together, but we're doing the video separate, so we figured out some of the wiring. Look at that. They had a box up there in the ceiling, but originally that wouldn't have been like that. It would have came down through the wall. There's one line there with a whole bunch of electrical tape on it. We're trying to trace all that out, figure out what goes where. One goes to this light, one goes to the bathroom light. 2 of them we don't know yet, but getting the wall up, let's see what that looks like.
We did get us a door. That's a closet door. We framed this in. We had to move that in a little bit because we wasn't sure the exact size of the closet we was going with, or the closet door we was going with. So we got that framed in, and we got our closet door. Now, next we've got to frame in this because we got our door for it. We're gonna go with a 28-inch door here. We framed it out for a 32 because we didn't know what we was gonna do. We got a 24-inch door over there. We're gonna put a 28 over here. So, just giving y'all an update on what's going on here. We're finishing up framing out this closet door in this front bedroom here. Get it framed out. Get a little piece of drywall up. We'll be good to go. If he kills a spider. It didn't kill the spider. You don't see the spider right there? Maybe more said a spider. ¿Cómo se dice spider?
Araña.
Araña. It's not Polish.
No más araña.
No más araña.
Arañas.
I can't get my tongue to roll like that, people. Oh, I can't help it. Uh-huh. Mucho bueno.
Mucho bueno, amigo.
So there you go. You got to see it framed up. We'll come back to you. Doing the finishing touches. Trimming it. Get it perfect.
All right, folks. Donnie's been working. Donnie, how far along are we in this room?
We got it there, buddy.
Got to do some trim and some paint, and finish up some electrical.
Door's sitting right there for it.
Put the doors in, put some flooring in. It's starting to get there. Boy, putting that wall back really kind of defined the space. Remember, this is where that cooler was, right there.
Uh-huh.
But it's starting to look like a bedroom again. All right, we'll keep going.
We're at the Secret Hiding Place 101, doing finished carpentry skills. $8 a piece. 1 2x4, you get 20. Quarter-inch thick. Just keep right on getting it. People think we're crazy, so we get it done. It's an old Craftsman tablecloth. It's got a 110 Craftsman. We did a video on this tablecloth here. They're you wearing the dust mask because there's a bunch of dust floating around. But the old machine's doing pretty good. And it tells you when you push it too hard. Somebody's using them.
Y'all, this one's getting kind of lengthy. Let's give us a thumbs up for filming it. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already, and we'll catch you on the next episode.